Good day. Today we're going to be looking at how we can import the STEM Guitar Project's online curriculum into a curriculum management system. So we've developed all of our curriculum now as an online learning course and structure. And what's good about that is that we also have it paired up with homeschool style guitar kits, which means that the students can still learn the STEM skills that they need and build an instrument so they have a hands-on learning experience all in a virtual environment with minimal tools, and most of the items are supplied in the kit for the students to build the guitar out with. We have that supported through a series of videos that are available online, and this video obviously is about how to import the curriculum into your curriculum management system. Now, the first part of the video is to show how we export it out of our Canvas operating system, and then I'm going to import it into Desire to Learn, which is a totally different curriculum management system. So, to indicate that it is transferable to a variety of different CMTs. Uh, the other aspect is that Canvas has a lot of support tools out there on how to import into other curriculum management tools, and so you can utilize their support also. We'll provide the export file for that online learning environment. So ultimately, the first step I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to actually export our hybrid CNC class. And so we're going to go ahead and we choose settings and then the export course content. And so I exported, my last export was August 24th. I'm going to export the whole course, not just the quiz, but I'm going to create the whole export. And it's going to take a little bit to actually develop this and package all the material in a file that is readable by other curriculum management tools. So this export happens to be about 120 megs in size, so it's not something that you can just send via email. So you're going to have to download it from our website since it is a large file. And once you download it from the website, we'll then go through the second half, which is how you can import it into a separate curriculum management tool like Desire to Learn. So as you can see, it's downloaded a hybrid CNC as an IMSCC file, which is a compressed file which is used by other curriculum management tools to be able to share curriculum. So that's part of the idea, is the portability of all the curriculum between different curriculum management systems. So I'm going to use this IMSCC file and import it into the Desire to Learn. So we're going to flip over to Desire to Learn here and then begin that process. So I'm going to go ahead and begin the process. This happens to be a sample course that we developed originally for our class. And inside our Desire to Learn and administration environment, I have the ability to import, export, and copy components. So I'm actually going to be using the import capability of the software. So we clicked on that aspect, and what I want to do is import, and I want to import it from a file. And so when I hit start, it's going to open up a window, and it allows me to import a package up to about a gigabyte. So it can be quite a substantial course component that I can upload. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the uh, course package. So I had to rearrange the screen just a bit, opened up the course package, and so as I'm going to drag and drop the IMSCC file into the import course from a file. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over. And so it's going to have to go through the upload process here into our system. And once that's complete, I'll choose import all components, or I can choose the advanced options, which allows me to custom import specific areas of the course package. And so if you only want a portion of the course materials, you could custom import it. Or again, you can import everything and then just turn the visibility off on certain items within your curriculum management operation. Uh, and so it's as simple as this, but we'll take it a couple of seconds here to actually get it completed. And then once that's happened, I'll show you exactly how the course shows up, or the course materials show up in the system here. Okay, so you can see that it has now uploaded that 127 meg file of our curriculum, and I'm going to go ahead and import all the components. And now it's going to upload, convert, and then finally import that information. So uh, again, it'll take a few minutes to make this happen. It's not a huge file, but ultimately it is one that will work smoothly in most curriculum management tools. As I mentioned earlier, if you have any issues, you can always go to the Canvas website about how to import into other curriculum management tools, or go to the website of your curriculum management system to learn how to import the files. And you can see that it's now importing the information into the course material. And so it'll just take another couple of minutes of import time, and it should be complete. Okay, so the course has now been imported, and we can view the content that was imported into our system. And so what we've done is we've now imported all the components in, and the items are broken down. There are a variety of different, let's see here, content. And so our Summer Institute is the content that I brought in, is our sample. And so within the Summer Institute, this is how the material comes in. So again, you're then able to grab it, manipulate it, move it into your weekly outlines as you need and see fit. This happens to be the CNC curriculum. Along with that, at the bottom, it's got a content library. And in that content library, it's got some additional documents and rule of thirds. Um, and again, algebra and guitar headstock activities, along with uh, some a section quiz, and then we've got content modeling, how to sketch the body in Fusion, and it goes through all the distinct areas of the CNC process for building a guitar using Autodesk Fusion 360. So again, you're able then to drag and drop it into your weekly headings and build it from there. So that's how the process will work. It allows you to custom control exactly what the students will see and use. Since it comes in as a package, you're able to manipulate it and use it in a custom sense. So you also have the CNC Institute bodies, which are pre-made body blanks for your students to practice on and to create. And then you also have the ability to send those files to Sinclair to get cut out at a slightly premium price beyond basic guitar kits. Or if you've got the CNC machine and the access to it, then you can do the CNC process for and with the students. And that's the whole concept behind the class. Well, have a great day. And this is how easy it is to actually bring the online material in and then customize your course materials for that. Take care.